Welcome back to my channel. And oh, also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which is, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, now we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to be using the Sun Bum Coconut Lip Balm to moisturize my lips, and then I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeshadow base in Nude and just apply that to my eyes to brighten them. And then I'm just taking some Scotch tape and putting that in the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Basics Bright Shadow Palette. I'm taking that like lime-ish green shadow and putting it in my crease. And I'm taking the more darker shade and putting that in my crease as well. And then I'm going in with this NYX Vivid Bright cream color, and this is in Aqua Sapphire. Then I'm taking this green NYX Cosmetics Loose Glitter and putting that on top of it. And then topping it off with the NYX Epic Ink Liner for the eyeliner. And then I'm taking this NYX Cosmetics Vivid Brights Liner. Can't remember the shade name off the top of my head, but it's like the lime green one. And then I'm putting it in like the inner part of the crease. And then I'm taking these NYX HD Concealers, Nude Beige to cover up my blemishes, and then Fair for highlighting underneath my eyes. And also too, I forgot to mention that we took the Scotch tape off. And I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. And then I'm just going to be contouring with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And then going over with the Wet n Wild Halo Highlighter. Can't really remember what shade it was. And then I'm going to be going on top of that with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. And then for my lips, I'm just taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette, and I'm taking that red lipstick shade. And then I didn't show which one, but I'm actually using Mehron, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, Liquid Latex. And I'm just taking this Ivy that I got at Michael's, and I'm just basically gluing it to my face. And then I'm setting it with the Morphe setting spray. And then I'm putting on this red wig to get the Poison Ivy look. See you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!